Good Mogulz Fam, it's your boy, and I am back with another banger. So ngibuyile back with the banger. Right now ngifuna ukunitshengisa ukuthi kahle kahle how much does it takes ukuthi ukwazi ukutrader i-forex? How much does it cost? Basically, iyona into engizama ukisho. Just to make it more easy for us ukuthi ngizoya ku-Google and and try to search it out, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, don't worry about that. That's our page. So how much? So I would just go to this broker khona uzobona ukuthi kahle kahle how much does it take. Let me just say review ukuze nizobona kahle ukuthi no. Okay, let's just do a review. Uzobona ukuthi akuthathi ngisho imali enkulu, as little as five amanye ama-brokers amanye it's $10. So let's just do a review. So ama-account ahlukahlukene as y'all need to know, ama-account ahlukene khona ama-minimum, which is okay, sibalekise lama-cookies akhona. Okay, guys, ahlukahlukene. Okay, so ukuze kube lula nje, let me just do it like this. Review khona le review le engiyaziyo ukuthi nje it's super on point. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try this one. Got it. Reviews. Yeah. Okay. So far, let me not go kude kakhulu. Let me just take this one, because ama reviews abalulekile because you want to know i-trustworthiness of i-broker le ofuna ukuyisebenzisa, yabo. So yeah, okay, so le it's much better review. This review is called it's called, kade ngibuka la ngaphandle manje, let me just check it out. It's Forex Peace Army. So basically that is a website esuke trustworthy to be checked ukuthi ama-brokers wasebenzisa, are they law abiding brokers or awawona ama-law abiding brokers, so that you can know between a scammer and a real one. So le imchaza kangcono Just Forex. So it's okay, it has been established. Okay, it has been established in 2012. Okay, na address yakhona, na my contact details akhona, and they even have the number, and it's regulated, So what they are saying here is that Just Forex is a real broker, a real broker. So nje that side nje we are safe. And minimum trade lot size. So a lot size ile option ekwazi ukwenza ukuthi imali yakhe multiply ke kangaki, if it makes sense. So ngamazi, if you trade it by 0.01, that's how much it's gonna count, concerning limali or concerning the entries we fagile. So it's gonna say kuma peeps, because ama peeps, it's like those numbers which show you what's okay. Candlestick move like to how much kangakanani, maybe it's 150 pips. So for you to know how much you're gonna make using 0.01, you'd have to take price yakhona multiplied by this lot size multiplied by ama pips ozobe uwatholile to get the actual amount of money that you going to receive when you're making an entry. One thing I love about Just Forex is the leverage. So the leverage is 3,000, and this is what we are looking for, the minimum amount that you can start trading. As you can see, Lana, $1 you can start trading. $1, it's more of like South African rands, it's like 15 rand, like if I'm not mistaken. I don't know ukuthi dollar manje lingakanani. Let me just check that out. I don't even know ukuthi dollar lingakanani. So dollar, basically dollar is like 14. It's 14. So it's $14.65. So as y'all can see right now, so it's $5 to grow the account is enough. $5, let me just show you. So $5 is actually how much, like how much is $5? 733 rand and 23 cent. So basically, like, it's affordable to start trading forex, and you can grow the account. So, and bakwenza njani imetha trader 4 and trader 5, both, so they have a lot of options. So basically, that's what I was trying to show you. You don't have to have like 10,000, 3,000, 1,500 to start trading. You don't have to have that. You don't have to have that. So they even have a company video that is just amazing. Just Forex is the bomb. So I was just viewing Just Forex the pillar because I'm using Just Forex. So for you to get AMA bonuses, you would have to comment down below. Then I'll give you a link so that when you deposit, you're gonna have a bonus attached to you. So when you put $5, they're gonna add a bonus on top of that. So that you can be able to trade. So I would definitely give you that link down below, so that it's gonna be easy for you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's mostly about it. It's like South Africa. So guys, trader forex is not difficult. You just need knowledge. I remember what I started using forex. I started engaging in forex. My first deposit was $5. $5 and trade to $5, and it was tradable. Sometimes I would make money, sometimes I won't. Obviously, that's what happens when you start forex from the first time. You don't just make money, boom, yabo. So I did that, and I ended up increasing that money. I remember there was a time I think it's from $10 to $30, and there was a time I made like up until $80. Yes, I think $80 or $70 around there. But it kept on increasing, but you start small. You don't just ukuthi nje boo hasuwenza 10,000, 20,000. No, everything start small, and then you gradually, uh, grow with a little skill, and you end up being the master of it and stuff. So yeah, so guys, that's actually how much that you need to have. Phela, akukho okunye phela. So nje right now, I I don't know why would you not want to start, trading forex. Forex is amazing. It's fun and it's exciting. So nje guys, just only this kind of amount, $5, that you can actually change your life. So without any further ado, if you enjoyed the video, comment, like, subscribe, subscribe, you know, and just tune in for more bangers, for more videos. Abashwe.